In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make videos with sound effects and animations in Canva. We'll start from a fresh project, add motion to your text and graphics. Layer in snappy sound effects, line everything up so it feels professional, and then export your final MP4. Open Canva and select the video option on the home screen. You can pick a ready-made template if you want a quick head start. Or choose a blank project for full control. Once your canvas opens, think of the center as your stage, the timeline at the bottom as your sequence of scenes and audio, and the left sidebar as your toolbox. To bring your content to life, click any text, image, or element you want to move. In the top toolbar, hit Animate. You'll see motion styles like fade, pop, or pan preview instantly when you hover. Choose a style that matches your video's vibe, and apply it consistently so the visuals feel cohesive. If you want a custom path, select Create an Animation, then click and drag your element across the page to set its movement. Keep motion simple and purposeful short. Clear moves usually look cleaner than long, complex paths. If you need a fast, unified look, try Magic Animate to automatically animate the entire scene. It's a great starting point. You can still refine individual elements afterward. Now, let's add sound effects. Head to the Audio tab in the side menu. Use the search bar to find effects like swoosh, pop, or click. Preview a few to match the energy of your motion, then drag the one you want onto the timeline below your video clips. That creates an audio track you can see and control. Syncing is where your video starts to feel polished. Drag the sound effect left or right on the timeline to line it up with the moment your animation happens. For tighter timing, aim to place the audio slightly before the visual finishes, so the viewer hears it as the movement lands. Trim the audio by dragging its edges to keep only the part you need. Right-click the audio track to adjust volume, and add a gentle fade in or fade out so your effects blend in without abrupt cuts. Keep effects audible but not overpowering if you are combining multiple. Balance their levels so nothing is jarring. When you are happy with the flow, click Share. Choose Download and select MP4 video. Canva will prepare your animated, sound-enabled project. Save it to your device, and you are all set to share a clean, energetic video that feels dynamic and intentional. Thanks for watching.